Janesville, Thorne County! Yes! Yes!
In Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, northeastern Rock County in south central Wisconsin, southeastern Dane County in south central Wisconsin, Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 3:45 p.m. At 2:55 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Lake Mills to near Cambridge, moving southeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Whitewater, Fort Atkinson, Jefferson, Lake Mills, Milton, Edgerton, Johnson Creek, Palmyra, Cambridge, Lake Ripley, Lake Koshkonong, Rome, LaGrange, Albion, Hebron, Sullivan, Utica, Rockdale, Bussaville, and Helenville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.